Hello, good part of the day. It's me, Dr. Haris Ilyas, and I'm 27. In this video, I'll be introducing myself briefly. I'm a Pakistani citizen and I've completed my intermediate level of education from Government College of Science, Lahore. I'm a resident of Lahore. After completion of my intermediate, I relocated to Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan for my further and higher studies. I've completed 6 years MD, Doctor of Medicine program with honors, and I was awarded gold medal for being an excellent student throughout these 6 academic years. Meanwhile, I participated in many other welfare and organizations. I won a competition from an organization and got a chance to teach in Poland. I've also traveled many other European countries. During my studies, I participated in research papers as well. One of my research papers got published in 2 European journals, one in Austria and the second one was in Spain. I have also experience of teaching from Kyrgyzstan. I used to teach English on recommendations of one of my teachers, as well as I was also interested in teaching medical subjects to my colleagues as well as my juniors. After successful completion of those 6 academic years, I moved back to Pakistan. I was lucky enough to clear all 3 steps of PMDC and EB examinations in just less than 4.5 months. As soon as I got my provisional RMP certificate, I started working as house officer in one of the renowned hospitals of Lahore, named as General Hospital Lahore. I gained experience from there in many different rotations, as well as I participated in many conferences and summits. I've got certification of many medical topics and talks. After completion of my house job, I was offered a job as a medical officer in one of the renowned polyclinics in Defense Lahore. I served over there for 3 months. I've also experience of serving in one of the trustee and foundation hospitals. I love helping my patients and poor people. Regarding my interest and hobbies, I have a deep interest in traveling, book reading, and many more things. I'm really fond of adventures as well as many other things. I've traveled 12 to 13 countries, including 3 continents as Europe, America, and Asia. I've dreamed of teaching medical students as well, because I've always thought to help them to pave and smooth their path so they can get quality education and serve their nations very well. That's all from my side. Should there be any queries, please do not hesitate to ask me. Have a good day. Thank you.